Imagine a sleek, chrome-finished machine humming to life on a stainless steel countertop, its arms poised like a sushi chef's knives, ready to turn raw ingredients into a flawless maki in less time than it takes to set the table. No frantic hands, no splatter of rice, just the quiet confidence of precision engineering. In the next minute you'll watch the SushiBot X pull together a restaurant-grade roll from start to finish, and I'll walk you through the 3 exact steps that make that magic happen. First, the robot opens a transparent hopper that looks like a glass pantry door, and you slide in the components one by one. The vinegared rice, glossy and slightly warm, pours in with a soft, granular sigh, followed by a crisp sheet of deep green nori that settles flat like a tiny sea. Then come the fillings, a bright orange slice of fresh salmon, a buttery slab of avocado that glistens with a hint of lime, and a cool, crunchy cucumber strip that snaps as it lands. As each item drops, a built-in optical scanner flickers to life, measuring weight, humidity, even the exact temperature of the rice. The system instantly tweaks the pressure of the internal rollers, ensuring the rice will stay loose enough to bite through yet compact enough to hold shape. You can hear the faint whir of micromotors adjusting, a subtle reminder that the robot is already thinking ahead. Next, you tap the glossy touchscreen on the robot's front panel. A menu of roll styles scrolls by, Maki Classic, Dragon, Rainbow, and you select Maki Classic. Instantly, an AI algorithm crunches the numbers, the ideal rice-to-nori ratio, the perfect spacing for each filling, and the precise torque needed for a tight roll. The dual-arm system springs into action. One arm, tipped with a soft silicone spatula, glides over the nori and spreads an even sheet of rice, each grain aligning like a tiny, uniform mosaic. The second arm, equipped with a gentle gripper, lifts the nori and positions it precisely over the rice, then lays the salmon, avocado, and cucumber in a line that's measured to the millimeter. You can almost see the robot's thoughts in the smooth, synchronized movements, the way the arms mirror each other with the elegance of a ballet. Finally, the roll itself comes to life. The robotic forearm grips the edge of the nori with a rubberized fingertip, then rotates a full 360 degrees in just 2.3 seconds, pulling the roll tight without crushing the fillings. As the cylinder forms, a high-speed camera monitors tension, feeding data back to the controller to fine-tune the grip in real time. When the roll is complete, a razor-sharp ceramic blade descends, gliding through the sushi with a clean, almost musical slice, producing 6 perfectly uniform pieces.